Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 10th of July. It's just after 8 o'clock. It's the UK Open, and we'll start off as ever with the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. The commitment of traders have added another 4,000 shorts onto their position. So we are now an amazing 6.2 to 1 short by the commitment of traders. We've got this resistance just above. This is long-term resistance. It's a turning point. It's 100 pips up, making this a fairly good risk-reward trade. You know, I think that's about 700 pips to the bottom. Is it? No, it's 435. So you've got 100 pips up to long-term support, resistance, and you got like 400 pips down. This should be and it's a fairly cheap trade on the swaps. So you've got a divergence on the RSI. The candles have gone higher, and the RSI has gone lower, which is sentiment. We're just steadily going down. I really wanted to dip below the 50 just to confirm a downward move. That's looking at a very good trade long term. USD Canadian dollar, bit tongue in cheek. It's broke support. I am a bull of the dollar, as you know. The commitment of traders have added 7,000 more shorts onto the Canadian dollar and taken 7,000 longs off. This is like a bit of a turn. I reckon in the next couple of weeks this will turn to the upside. So we've got to. We're actually below the 30.9, so we are looking for it the RSI to turn back up through that. If I was buying, I think I would buy back through the 129 mark, 129.50, sorry, 129.50. That's this heavy resistance here. USD JPY, a little bit more weakness on the Japanese yen. The figures last night were pretty awful. It didn't move much. But it is moving a little bit this morning, and we've got weakness on the Japanese yen. I didn't expect to see it back up here. The commitment of traders put another 18,000 positions long on the yen. So we are now on the yen 3.28 to 1. Short the pair, long the yen. I'll put that on the chart. We're above the 69.1 on the RSI. I'm looking for this to turn down, and we'll see what happens. But at the moment, it's actually we've got green candles, a lot of green candles up there. USD Mexican peso. We're back down onto support. The commitment of traders have taken some of the longs off for the peso and added 7,000 shorts. This just keeps turning around more and more. So we are going to see an upturn in this, and it'll be a good trade when it comes. We'll see how well this support holds, but you know, I'm pretty certain that it's fairly strong support. Let's just have a look back into the history. No, there we go. It's a turning point here, a little bit of a turning point there, turning point there, little bit of support there, that one there, and of course back there. Yeah, that's fairly strong support, and we'll see how that goes. Euro GBP with 3 to 1 short on the pair. Now we're at resistance at the moment. This has been bobbing about a little bit. Um, I think it's going to come down. I'm bearish, big time the euro, and a little bit bullish the pound. So over the next couple of weeks, I think we're going to see this come short. Uh, but it's playing about a little bit at the moment. The pound, New Zealand dollar, 7.5 to 1 long. That's the divergence on the commitment of traders long this pair. So we're looking for it to go up. We had the bearish candle on Friday, which you'll see on a lot of pound pairs. I've moved my trend line over a little bit. I think over this coming week we're going to see more strength in the pound and see the weakness unfold in the New Zealand dollar. So there you go, and that is my report for today. We're doing more pairs over on the members centre. I think there's about another 14. There's some of them that are really good with the commitment to traders showing quite large divergence, and hopefully we can see some of you over there. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully see you tomorrow.